Skillbyte here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I touch up the paint chips on my Mazda using these. So this is not a permanent touch-up. There's paints and stuff that you can use for that, but I don't want to mess with that right now. And I've got a Cars and Coffee tomorrow, and I need to get some of these chips so they're not so obvious. I've got a red car. I'm using a red Sharpie. But as you can see, I'm hoping, it's so bright I can't see the camera display. I'm just coloring in little chips with the Sharpie. I try not to touch the paint, the car, but get fingerprints and stuff on it, but it is what it is. And hopefully you can see it's not perfect, but it looks a lot better. And it's not a permanent solution. It will wear off in a week or so, depending on what I do. If I just park it in the garage, it's fine. It'll last for a while. Running out in the rain and stuff too much, it'll come off quicker. But just find a Sharpie that is the color of your car or close to it. Almost forgot. Use a cloth under your hand to keep from getting fingerprints and such on the paint. Just touch it. You need a fine tip. But this is where you can use a wider tip. I scuffed my rim, my BBS rims. And you know what I used to color them in? Black Sharpie. Apparently a dead black Sharpie. Oh, beautiful. Let's try that again with a different Sharpie, hopefully one that's not dead. There we go. This is called curb rash. That's what happens when you try to park too close to the curb because you're worried about someone door dinging your other side. And then you forget how close you park to it when you back out of it and you just catch it. It sounded like the whole car was getting scraped. There you go. That looks much better. So Sharpie repair on your BBS wheels. Hey, it's Skillbyte here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I have the hiccups. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and use a new Sharpie that works.